Okay guys, this year's Evo Enduro 2019, we have these teams participating, and together with them, you will stand a chance to win a Proton X70, 38,000 ringgit cash. Yes, these are real money over here, and 2-person gets to win this, and another 10-person will be able to win 8,000 ringgit cash. All you need to do is just to buy their products from a minimum spending of 5 ringgit. To know how to enter, all you need to do is just to WhatsApp your receipt of your product and answer a simple question to this number. To understand further, go to this website to know about all these products and how to enter. Menang, menang, menang!
Menang!
Alright.
Again, Con?
Make noodle lah. Okay. Alright, so we are on the highway. We are driving to this place called Margaret River. CC out there. This looks like the landscape of some horror movie, you know, or some fantasy movie, or one of those movies lah. Okay, so Margaret River is well, it's some place that my wife and sister-in-law found on Google lah. So I also don't know exactly what's there, but they found this place on Google. So we are driving there. It's about 200 plus 300 kilometers from Perth city center, and driving there. So yeah, on this Australian highway, 2-lane highway, it actually almost looks like the highways in Thailand, you know, where you have two lanes on one side and then one divider over there, then it's another 2 lanes heading the other way. So weather today, the skies not as blue as the last 2 days, so we may see some rain, I guess, when we reach. Yeah, and you also notice that there are no street lights here, so don't think I want to stay there too long, because I really don't want to be driving back on these roads in the dark. Okay guys, so we have arrived in the Margaret River vicinity, and our first stop is this quaint little place called Cape Lavender Tea House. Don't ask me how my wife or sister-in-law found it. They just did. All I do here is to be responsible for the driving. And this is our rental car, a Hyundai i30. I may publish a separate video for this car if I have the time for it, but suffice to say, quick comment. Nice fuss-free car. It's almost like it feels like driving a Toyota Corolla around, really. No, just like what I say of Hyundai vehicles in general, competent, inoffensive, but ultimately does not stand out of the crowd. So here we have it. This is the we're walking into the building. Nice deco in here. So let's check the menu out. We've got, what do you have here? All this tea. Really the atas masale kind of, like, you know, tea house place. What do you have here? Say fish soup of the day. Zen, what do you want? You want something? No? Yes. Yay.
You want to go and check out their cake?
So I'll go inside here while the 2 ladies are thinking what to order. Check this out. They have all these various lavender stuff here to sell. Even soft toys. Okay, better not let my daughter see this. Yeah. So you've got all these woman things. Lavender bath and shower gel. Okay. So if you fancy this kind of all these things, okay, what's this? Candle. Is it candle? No, it's balm. Okay. Yeah, obviously I'm no expert in these products, but yeah, got soap. This looks like soap. Yeah. Okay, so tea time is here. Is it tea time? No, it's almost like lunch, but well, it's like a tea time kind of order. Got scones here, a pot of tea, some biscuits, and nice cozy place. Got fireplace here as well. Got a fireplace here, actual burning fire, and even more lavender products, tea, and all kind of things. Jam. This looks, is it jam? Is this jam? And somehow, well, I think that's jam right here. Let's show you the interior decor. Nice classic western style decor here. Lovely ambience. Time to dig in.
Wait, must swim.
What?
Why? No, then I can just pour with the strainer.
This makes me feel properly atas. Yeah. Okay, so sapu jam, then the cream, okay, I'm not an expert in eating scones. Wow, the jam is actually very good. Okay, so apparently this jam infused with lavender. Yes, you want to appear on screen too? Come, you're going to be famous. Okay, so we put the cream and sedap with the jam, sedap. So they also have a tea tasting in this place, and we have what? Organic rooibos tea with lavender. 100% natural, caffeine free. Basically healthy shit lah. And packed with anti-inflammatory. Okay. It may also assist in weight loss. See what we have here. Okay. Come. Thank you. This one you cannot drink yet. Tastes healthy. Hey guys, so the weather is just getting wetter and colder, but still traveling, still sightseeing, and now we are at the Margaret River chocolate factory. So just bring you inside here. So apparently we got, wow, got tasting. What tasting do we have here? What's this? Caramel spread. So you try the caramel spread. Nice. Hi. Yeah. So well, chocolate. Tastes good. Like one of those M&Ms, but without the shell. So they got a ton of chocolate stuff here. This place is seriously unhealthy. Oh my god, look at that. Look at this. The chocolate teddy bear. You got honey. Chocolate flavored honey, anyone? It's got this salted caramel spread, all the t-shirts, various souvenirs. Yeah, get a large Australia shaped chocolate. Here in this part we have the cafe, where you of the place where you can order, well, not a very big variety, but you can order some food and drink here. Sit down, chat, relax, or enjoy while you enjoy some of their other stuff as well. Yeah, got ice cream some more here. Got ice cream, got various other chocolate. Ooh, this is a place for indulgence, isn't it? So guys, a few hundred meters from the chocolate factory, we are here. Right, these are vineyards. Quite common actually. Plenty of vineyards in this Margaret River region. Must be a local specialty here. and we are at this Providor, well, Coward and Black vineyards. They are the same people that run the chocolate factory that we were visiting earlier. So here, this is another store where they sell their wines, related products. You even get to do some tasting. Okay, so inside the shop, well, once again, plenty of things that they're selling. What do we have here? Jalapeno honey mustard, tomato and capsicum chutney. Wow. Roasted tomato mustard, sweet ginger and lime dressing, barbecue relish. Interesting assortment of stuff here. Okay, and here we have roasted chili olive oil. Wow, all very exotic sounding things. Yes. Yeah. So I'm
Mommy.
yeah. Don't mind the extra commentary, baby. Don't mind the extra baby commentary, guys. So we have what? Roast chicken seasoning, garlic prawn marinade. Wow, sell spices here. And here we have truffle infused oil, extra virgin olive oil. So here they provide all the samples for you to taste, and you have all these to reduce wastage. What they do is that they provide all these washed stainless steel spoons for sampling purposes, so you can taste all these like raw honey la, honeycomb, the honeycomb here. Curd, passion fruit curd, lemon curd. Oh my God. Okay. So over there is it's a wine tasting counter. I'm gonna give that a try. So we are attempting wine tasting, and this is what Sauvignon Blanc. SSB.
That's his nickname.
We've got an interesting array of stuff here. This is chocolate liquor. Got 4 different flavors: classic chocolate, hazelnut mousse, espresso macchiato, after dinner mint. So this one actually has a rather strong taste. And they've got a range of red and white wines down there as well. So we're still in the vicinity of Margaret River, but this is a lake here. Okay, another vineyard, and this is Bethany's Wine and Nougat. Yeah. So just gonna come in. Okay. It's another nice, quaint place here. This guy sells wine. This place has been in business for 30 years. And yes, so this word here is pronounced nougat for those of you who do not know. And serves good coffee. Get to taste some wine. Taste some wine here. And this is some nougat sampling. So yeah, you can get yourselves collections of wine or various flavors of nougat here. Lovely place. Owner is a nice, chatty gentleman. That's his wife there at the side, standing there. The weather is getting. The skies are clearing up. Right, beautiful weather. So one thing about visiting all these vineyards here in the Margaret River region, right? So when you come into the vineyard, this is the kind of terrain, and this is ESC off and lift off oversteer terrain, if you get what I mean. Okay, so our stop now is the Margaret River Dairy Company, and as the name suggests, sell all the milk related stuff lah, cheese lah, well, various grades of milk I would suspect, as well as ice cream. I saw ice cream over there, yogurt as well, and you've got all the sampling table here. French baguette, $3 each. So we've got cheese here. Club cheddar original. Try one of these. It tastes good. This one is interesting. Yeah. Black pepper infused. Nice. So I'm just going to show you what else they have. All the cheese here. This section of the yogurt. Oh, ice cream! Got ice cream here, guys. And there we have various souvenirs. Hi guys, so I'm at a petrol station. Just refilled our i30. Quite fuel efficient actually. We pumped in about 31 liters full tank after covering 420 kilometers. And let me just show you the price of fuel here. So 91 is $1.45 per liter. Get it, guys? $1.45 AUD per liter. Raw 98, $1.63. 95 is somewhere in between these two. So yeah, we Malaysians have been really spoiled with cheap. So we are at the Cheeky Monkey Brewing Company, and yeah, so this place brews beer lah, and so on their menu, this is an $18 pedal taster. So you have 5 different variety of beers to taste, and yeah, so these are the 5 types of beers. Now this one, okay, this Cheeky Pale Ale is not available. They replaced it with something else. I can't remember what the waitress told me, but it's something else. And Cheeky IPA, or maybe of a lower alcohol percentage. But here you go. Okay.
What's that you're drinking?
It's Cheeky Lager 4.6%. With delicate bitterness and a refreshing finish. This is a beer for all occasions. Not bad.
You can try.
You good? So guys, this year Evo Enduro is giving away a Proton X70. So just spend 5 ringgit of stuff from any of our 12 racing teams, and you stand a chance to win an X70, 38,000 ringgit in cash, 8,000 ringgit in cash, and other interesting prizes. So check out this URL here for further information.